Your mailbox is so full, you can't determine the valid messages from the spam messages. You're so angry, you could explode. I'm Chris Cook from Security Awareness Incorporated. Let's talk about how to teach spammers a lesson. First of all, there's no way you're really going to be able to get to the actual spammers themselves to teach them a lesson. But what you can do is make it so their messages to you are completely useless and wasted. A lot of times people think if they respond to email messages and ask them not to send them anymore, that it's going to stop. But that's the exact wrong thing to do. If you respond to a spam message and it is coming from an actual valid address, they're going to know that they have a live, legitimate purpose on the person on the other end, and they're going to go ahead and send you more, and that makes your email address even more valuable to them and the other people that they're going to sell it to as well. What you want to do is simply ignore their email. Just hit delete. End of story. That's the fastest and quickest thing to do. If you are responding to the email message and it's not coming from a valid address, it may be coming from a legitimate address, but it's not the actual spammer's address. They may have spoofed it from somebody else, in which case you're going to be annoying another person, such as, a regular person such as yourself. In a recent case where we saw where they had spoofed a company's email address and all their outgoing spam messages, if all the hundreds of thousands of people that received those responded back to the actual company that was spoofed, then that would have brought their mail servers down instantly. Even the undeliverable mail messages that came back brought their servers down for an hour. The spam messages come into your mailbox. The easiest and quickest thing to do for you, it's going to be the least frustrating thing as well, is just simply hit that delete key. I'm Chris Cook with Security Awareness Incorporated.